Welcome to Amsterdam.
Enjoy.
You're missing out.
Life change.
It's really life-changing. So nice.
Lalo ka na naman this week!
Sobrang ganda.
Yeah.
Hello, titas! We just got home from grocery shopping. Konti lang naman. We just went to Spar, yung malapit na supermarket dito. Nagdala po ako ng backpack kay medyo mabibigat yung aking dalang iba kasi may yogurt. Tapos, di ba, bawal pa akong mag-lift. Although hindi na siya masyadong masakit, pero kailangan ko pa din mag-ingat. Natatakot po akong bumalik yung sakit dito sa elbow ko. Medyo naging okay naman siya sa Pilipinas kay nagpahilot ako ng bonggang-bongga doon, charlang. Madalas akong nagpapahilot doon sa Cebu, di ba? So, na-miss ko po ito. Mag-haul tayo ng mga pinamili namin sa Spar. Na, ibuwak ka, ika-prat me the titas and I'll show the titas what we bought first. You will get the donut?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
Ay, hinahanap mo yung donut mo. Sit across mama then.
Okay.
Say hi to the titas first, babe. Dali. Ayan, may donut po si Ana. Ang mahal na nito, uy. 1 euro na po siya. Isang ganito lang, 1 euro. It's very expensive. Clean your nose, please. I see your sip on the floor. See? It's dripping already. Hindi ko akalain na ganito na siya kamahal. 1 euro pa to dati? I think not. So this is 99 cents. Oh, good. No iPad ha, you eat first.
Ja, maar mama.
Oh, no iPad when you're eating.
Maar mama, ik lust hem echt heel graag.
Yeah?
Dus daarom.
No iPad when you're eating.
Waarom?
Waarom niet? You eat well.
Ja, maar deze lust ik echt heel veel.
Yeah, I know. No iPad gani. You can use your iPad after eating. Not when you're eating. It takes a very long time when you're also watching. Hi, titas.
Hi.
Did you miss the titas? No. The titas missed you.
Maar ik wil eigenlijk Archie Harriet.
Yeah, I will call Ate Harriet after this, okay? Lakas makamistisan ng ating new hair color ko. Diba? Bet ko po. Medyo same naman siya sa kulay ng dati ko dito na side, diba? Pinaretouch ko lang po kasi dito. Kasi nga, sobrang visible na yung obvious na yun. Yun na naman. Natin. So anyway, doon sa Spar, bumili po kami yung pinakasadya namin doon, yung yogurt. Kasi si Ruth and Ana, ang pagbalik ko, Ana is really into yogurt na pala. So, good thing. Ana is into yogurt. You like yogurt, no? With strawberry. So, ito po yung kanyang kakainin mamaya. After ng kanyang donut. At yung batang to, ba't mag-donut ka agad na? Kakain pa kami. Bumili din po kami ng taro bloom, yung harina dito. Kaya magpapandisal kami ni Ana mamaya.
Mamka.
Yun yung nakalimutan kong bilhin sa Pilipinas. Yung sa Gardenia na pandesal ba. Magdadala sana ako. I was gonna bring pandesal, but I forgot. Pandesal van de Filipijnen ba? I forgot to bring it here. Next time na lang ha.
We gaan hem toch maken?
Ja, dan. Maar ik bedoel, van de Filipijnen. I forgot really. And meron din po kaming cheese. Yan. Kasi
Kaas?
and we also have liver kas or yung cheese, cheese naman, liver na liver spread, liver cheese ang tawag, ang translation na direct translation. Ana also has her snack, strawberry yogurt. Yan. Yung nakaganito, nakapakete. Uy, na-miss kong mag-grocery dito ngayon. Dala din kami ng payong in case na umulan ba. Ito na yung dadalhin ko palagi, yung nabili ko sa Pilipinas in 2024.
Ben Janine.
Na 2025 pala. Yung February nakauwi ako. Nakabili ako ng itong backpack na to sa Anilo.
2025.
2025. Mas handy pag nagba-backpack po ako para hindi masyadong, ano ba, tawag dito. Mas divided yung weight ba. Tapos, hindi ako, hands-free ako. Yun yung pinaka-rason, hands-free. And then, I also have yung bacon. May bacon tayo dito kasi marami kaming rice. Ma-fried rice na naman ako. And then, we also have brown bread for Anna. 2 klase yung kinuha ko. Para kay Anna po. Tsaka kay Ruth. Kasi si Ruth po guys. Brown bread din ito. Toasty siya. We also have Chick-fil-A for Anna. And we have croissant. Yan, may 2 akong croissant dito. May 2 baguette din ako pero yung ano niya, taro. Brown yung kanya.
Mama, that's my lieveling.
Yeah, this is your favorite. Favorite niya daw to, yung snack. Does Papa always buy this? Did Papa buy this a lot for you when Mama was gone? Oh, okay. Then we also have leverwurst. Ano siya? Ito yung pinaka-liver spread na ginagamit namin for Anna's bread.
Papa, they are more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I also have mixed na lettuce para sa salad natin.
Cranberry siya.
Yan naman, nakabili na naman ako ng ganito. Ang dami natin ganito. Palagi kong nakakalimutan po na magdala ng shopping bag. Ganito ba? In case. Palagi naman ako may ganito. Pero this time, ilagay na natin siya sa bag. Miss ko ang pusan.
I got the big.
You want to talk to the titas? How are you, titas?
How are we, Dad?
You look so pretty with your hair, love. I like your hair. This length is better for you. It's healthier. Not too long. This is mine.
Is dat lekker? Ja.
I miss this croissant.
Wat?
It's so lekker. Deze croissant is zo lekker.
Ja, weet je maar wat mis?
Deze. Want in de Filipijnen heb ik niet gegeten croissant.
Vind je het echt zo lekker?
Ja.
Nou, ik heb toch ook er eentje?
Croissant is very expensive in Cebu.
Ga je alsjeblieft helpen?
Dus,
Ga je alsjeblieft helpen?
oh ja. Hold it.
Hey.
In Jumbo, we can buy 4 pieces for €1 ng croissant. But this one is from Spar. Spar is medyo expensive po siya, no? Pero pag mga kunti ang grocery, doon ako kumukuha. And siya kasi yung pinakamalapit. So, walking distance lang.
Haya! 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 Haya!
Anna, you get my...
I will make pan, but Mama will. I and Mama will make pandesal.
Hoi. Goed kijken, niet vallen.
Nee.
Alsjeblieft.
Ja, 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 ja.
Prepare tayo ng yogurt para sa mag-ama.
Friday is payday bang, so we can do boodschappen again.
Pobre.
It's gonna be bang. Friday, I have to go to the Tandarts with Anna.
Yeah.
It's gonna be expensive. Saturday we go to Friesland.
Yeah,
So
for
I need-
gas.
I need a full tank almost. Then Monday they're gonna
Work
do.
here?
Yeah, I get it back from the insurance, but okay. I have to do the payments for the driver's license. So I think when the month is already 1 week on, then it's already gone. Nederland's really getting expensive.
Yeah, that's why it gets moved to the Philippines. It's not always true that it's good for Anna here. There are also nice schools there.
That's true.
And I can earn more there, Bon.
Yeah, but I cannot work there.
You can if you want.
It's not allowed.
Yeah, who
Yeah.
said that?
Yeah, I don't know.
You're allowed to work because you're married to a Filipina.
Oh.
Papa, bakit kaya here too?
But you have to get like a card, something. Maybe at the for like few first months, maybe not. Maybe you can start looking at the online jobs Bon, with Nederland. It's makkelijk. Hi tita, so magawa tayo ngayon ng pandesal, cheese, ube pandesal, walang cheese. Kaya ayaw ni Ana ng cheese, so gawa tayo. Matagal ko lang hindi nagamit tong machine ko guys. Pero let's see. I hope okay itong recipe ito. Search lang po ako sa YouTube. With the fillet.
A few moments later.
Ayan na yung ating pandesal. Malalaki sila.
Vaak spannend zie is het tegenwoordig wel goed.
Si Ana natatry na ng isa. Maliit po yung oven ko, no? So, ano lang talaga. Kunti-kunti ba? I have second batch. Ito, wala tong laman. May ano po yan siya, may jam. Hindi ako naglagay ng cheese kay ayaw ni Ana na may cheese. Pabigyan natin yung anak natin. Bukas naman, pag may time pa ako bukas, gawa po ako ng plain na pandesal. Mas bet ko kasi yun. Next time, gawa din ako ng cheese pandesal. At least nakagawa tayo ulit ng pandesal. May bisita po si Mr. ngayon. Kanina pala dito nag-dinner yung aking in-law. So nagluto po ako dito ng madalian. Fried rice lang naman. Tsaka burger. Tapos chicken. Kasi kasama nila si Ana kanina. Nagpunta kasi sila sa carnival. Pinick up nila si Ana. So, yun. But, and yeah, pagdating na dito, in-invite sa Nerot na kung gusto nila dito na lang kumain. At first, parang hesitant pa sila. Parang nahiya sila ba na nagluluto kasi ako nung dumating sila. So, sabi niya, baka hindi enough yung pagkain nyo. Sabi niya, okay lang. Tapos nagluto ako dinagdagan ko na lang yung fried rice kanina. Tapos si Rot nagdagdag na rin ng ibang pagkain na lulutuin. And yun. But yeah, andito po yung kaibigan ni Rot. Nanonood sila ng football. And ako medyo pagod na din ako. So, iyan natin yung pa-video, no? Kasi na dito, mga 9 o'clock na. So, see you na naman po sa susunod na video, no? Maraming salamat. Mush, mush, mush.